Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is for uh, Nifty and Sensex. How will be the performance of Nifty and Sensex from today, 13th of August, till 31st of August? Extremely sorry for being late this month. Because of some time constraint, I was unable to make the video. So, looking at this card, Sensex and Nifty, till 20th August, looks like today market has touched 55,000 and 16,400 respectively. Nifty has gone ahead of 16,400. So, still there is potential of more upward movement, but between 21st and 31st of August I can see some correction, profit booking and correction also. So this reading I had also done with respect to retail investors, what they should do. I will come back to that afterwards. First, be careful. I can also see some kind of corrections now, and these corrections will be between 21st and 31st of August. Now, for retail investors, if they are investing in top 50 companies of Nifty, that is index companies, how will be the outcome? What will be the outcome? Knight of Pentacles, stable and some gains, stable with some gains. This is till 31st of August from today. If the retail investors are investing in mid cap stocks which are listed in National Stock Exchange, so what will be the outcome? They need to be careful. They need to think and decide which stocks deserves their investment, which stock deserve their hard earned money. They should, looking at this card, they should not just put their money in any stock. They need to be careful. Small caps, better you do your profit booking right now only. Do not invest, sit quietly. Do profit booking, sit with cash. Do not invest in small caps. That's what I will say on companies listed in Nifty, National Stock Exchange. Then, if the companies are listed, if the retail investor invests in companies which are listed on Bombay Stock Exchange, Sensex companies, top 30, good, no problem. But in mid cap stocks on Sensex, mid cap index, Justice card. So, again, be careful. Same card, Justice. Here also, this person is having this balancer. So, be careful. Mid cap stocks, retail investors, choose wisely between mid cap stocks. Do not rush and invest your hard earned money in any mid cap stock. Then, small cap here. If a company is having very good foreign clients, their maximum business is from foreign clients, those companies are more likely to do well in small caps, looking at this card. But yes, again I'll say that it will be better to do profit booking and wait for some time. Now, which sector stocks will do well and which stocks will not do well, which sectors will not do well from today till 31st August combinedly on both the stock exchanges. So banking sector stocks, yes, they will do well, but pharma sector stocks, no. You can expect corrections in these stocks and this one. I will come to this, but first, technology stocks. So technology stocks will do very well. If you have invested in technology stocks, don't worry. Then real estate, be careful. Don't invest blindly in real estate stocks. Then oil and gas sector, somewhat gains. Don't expect huge gains. Then chemical stocks. So chemical and pharma are somewhat related stocks. So here also I can see some kind of corrections along with pharma sector stocks. So those who have already invested in these stocks, I'll suggest them to book their profit and wait again for the right opportunities. That's what looking at cards. Then these are the cards for auto sector. This is the card for auto sector. So auto sector, yes, I can see somewhat growth in auto sector stocks. So all in all, for retail investors, be careful between 21st and 31st of August. Till that time, do your profit bookings, and if you want to invest in top companies. And this video is for knowledge and education purpose only. I am not recommending here any stocks. Thank you.